Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to use Prezi AI to create fantastic standout presentations that engage your audience in minutes. So this AI tool actually uses a method that is not so common in terms of the engagement. So for example, you can see presentations moving from one slide to another, just like this, zooming in and out of the particular presentation. Not necessarily the most contemporary methods that we have where we move from slide to slide. This one actually moves across and it is basically editable. So it can just move from one step to another to give you a fantastic presentation. This is something like this. You can see moving from within the slide, but it zooms out to a particular one and then zooms into another one directly. So it's a very fantastic AI tool that can generate presentation with just very simple clicks. So to start with, let's start by learning how to access it. You can come to your browser and just type in prezi.com. I need to bring you over here. So the first thing you need to do is to start by getting started. So better presentations faster with AI. So you can get started from here. Of course, you have to log in with either you can create an account or with an email and password if you have any, or with any of these Slack, Windows or Facebook account. I'm just going to go on and sign up with one of my Google accounts. So once you're here, the first thing you need to notice is that this is the place where you give in the prompt. You can always create a new presentation from here, and this exactly looks like many other presentation tools that you can see across. It is wonderful because of its uniqueness. Now you can give the prompt of any presentation that you want to give. You can just type in the prompt of, for example, create a presentation about sustainability in Nigeria or sustainability in our environment or thereabout. So you can go ahead and add in maybe a reference document, maybe a PowerPoint, maybe a text that you have somewhere concerning the presentations that you want, or a journal paper, assuming maybe you got accepted in a conference and maybe you want to make a presentation out of that paper that you've submitted. This is going to enable you to upload that paper to serve as a guide to how the AI is going to navigate to create the presentation for you. But for this tutorial, we're just going to look at basic ways to generate the presentation. So let's say we want to create can you create a presentation about the use of dams in generating hydroelectricity in Nigeria? So let's say in Nigeria. All right, so we can just go ahead and click on enter to this. Okay, so now what the AI has done is it has just provided an outline about what it is going to create the presentation about. Introduction to hydroelectricity, overview of dams in Nigeria, types of dams used for hydropower, key hydroelectric dams in Nigeria, how dams generate electricity, benefits. So the key thing is you have to now review this and see if this is what you want, or you can kind of come over here and move things across if you want to move them. I mean, the exchange position, conclusion and call to action, maybe you want it to come before or thereabout, or you want to make in general the future of hydropower in northern Nigeria, for example. You can just add that as a snippet, or if you don't want any of this, you can just come over here and click to remove that particular section. So if you're okay with this, or you want to add talking points, or you want to go back, you can as well go back. If you're okay with what it has created, you can just go ahead and say create presentation, and this is now going to go on directly on its own to create a very powerful and wonderful presentation for you. Alright, so you can see right now the presentation had just been created. You can see the details of it. Check out each frame with this feature, and you can always return to home to where this is. It looks simple, but then you can beautify it with some color palettes. If you want, you can select this. If you don't want the entire look as it is, you can select the color palette and change it, or you can recreate the presentation if this is not what you want. I think I kind of prefer something like this, so we can change the design, or you can search for a particular design, but this is very direct. You can search for a particular design and just add up with what you have. Let's say we have selected this. Let's see how it is going to fine-tune everything. This looks much better and looks much like a dam that we are used to, not the AI generated kind of vision. So you can see the details, so you can move from slide to slide with this. So you can see this is the introduction to hydroelectricity. You can see the images are very nice. The concepts, the key points are well spelled out. Major dams in Nigeria, hydropower and agriculture, flood control benefits, overview of dams in Nigeria, and so on. So you can see them. You can see the navigation across. You can see the zoom in, the movement, the panning. This is really, really wonderful. Gravity dams, heavy and sturdy, arc dams, efficient pressure management, embankment dams, earth and rock construction. So these are types of dams that you can. Key hydroelectric power dams in Nigeria, we have the Kanji Dam, the Jaba Dam, and the Shiroro Dam. These are key ones. That Kanji is 1968, Jaba is 1984, and Shiroro is 1990. So this is just the conceptualization, and you can see the transition, the wonders of how this presentation is created. So you can see this, how dams generate electricity, water storage at the first stage. Then we have the turbine activation, the electricity generation. We can move step by step from water storage, reservoir is needed, the turbine activation to electricity generation, and then back to the benefits of hydropower, and then 75%, 40,000, and then 50% proportion of energy needs that could be met by expanding hydropower. So this is about 10 million benefits, potential number of people benefiting from improved energy access through hydropower that is in Nigeria as a whole. So you can see the movement, you can see the transition, you can see the beauty behind these slides in the future of hydropower in Nigeria, and how wonderful this presentation has been created, and how it quickly comes back to the home tab, which is very, very, very interesting. If it's something you like, you can just go ahead and say go to the editor, and from the editor now you'll be able to have much of this control to be able to edit the slides. You can play around with the animations. You can come to more and see these are my library AI images that you want to generate, stock blocks. If you want to add any shapes, you can have multiple shapes, media, video and image you can create. You can have charts, PowerPoint, PDF, and so much more. Text controls, you can add text and so on inside the presentations. In each case, you can just touch an element and you'll be able to access it and edit it. So you have to unlock this, and then you'll be able to crop, edit, and replace this image if this is what you want. So let me kind of make this a little bit smaller, and we can move it up a little bit so that it doesn't interfere with the other slides that are incorporated in this. And then you can select the text as well and make these kind of edits in terms of the coloration, the alignment, the bullet points. You can make it bulleted if you want, and so on. So much to edit, so much to learn. Not like the usual way of where you have slides 1 to 10. You can move directly as you click. You can see the transition into the next slide, to the next upcoming slides. This is really, really next level. This is really powerful in terms of the creation and presentation. So this is next level. Actually, you can use this to kind of navigate across, to move into pan things and present. You can also come over here and present directly, or you can record as a video, or you can come over here, present with full screen. Use presenter view if you have some notes that you may want to share, and you can download in PPT or PDF directly from here. So let me quickly download this in PDF so that I can share this with my students as well. Okay, so this is another presentation that I have created on the future of AI in Nigeria, opportunities, challenges, and the way forward. So let's take a look at the navigation as well. This is it. Can move across. I see the movement to opportunities. All right, so you can see the possibilities. If you have any guided document or content, you can easily add, and the AI is going to make use of that to be able to generate or create your presentations out of it. So it is actually a wonderful AI tool that you can use to create your own presentation very, very quickly and fast. So this concludes this simple tutorial about the use of Prezi AI to create a presentation completely for free, except maybe when you want to download it, then you're gonna have to subscribe to them. So quickly, let's take a look at their pricing, see if it is something very much affordable. For a start, I think you can be given about 600 credits, which is enough for you to create as many presentations as you want. So it's just $4 per month, so you can start free trial as well, and you can get it only with watermark, which you can remove within Canva if you're interested in working with it. And the best part of it is that it has a desktop app which you can download from here. You can have it as a standalone application within your system. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.